So now we have changed the question from class to protocol. Okay, let's run this and address all the changes that we have to address. So in our multiple choice question, this question is coming from a protocol instead of coming from a class. Okay, so what does it say is add steps for conformance. Okay, we will do the, we'll fix that. Okay, text is correct, options and correct answer. And we have the initialization in this one. Okay, the question is, do we need the initialization? Preferably not if we make it as struct. So if we keep it as a struct, we will be able to remove this. That's nice. We are not doing any override, but yes, definitely we are checking this. Let is correct equals to this one and return is correct. That's nice. So we have solved for this one. We still have issues with the other set of questions. That is a true false question. Come back to the true false question. What does it say? Again, we are going to change this class to struct, and we are going to conform to this protocol. Yes, we can remove this, and we are not overriding it. We are implementing the protocol's check answer, and we are going to say, okay, is correct answer. Fine, we can straight away return this. No need for this one. What are the other errors that we are getting at? Let's try to build it. Okay, the build has succeeded quite easily. Let's see if there's changes to the quiz protocol over there. No, it doesn't. So it remains most of the same. So the question is, what is the process of using a protocol? Let's go through step by step. It's more flexible, value and reference types. Protocols work with struct, value type and class type. Yeah, this also works, and the class, that also works. Avoid inheritance limitations, which is very important. Without the baggage of inheritance, we are able to support a lot of classes. And going forward, we can conform to multiple protocols, like say question, timed, etc. It encourages composition over inheritance. That's the reason why we are using it. Instead of forcing a hierarchy, you could define what a question can do, not how it does it. It is safer. This is very important. If a question were a class, subclasses might accidentally modify shared state. But over here with a protocol, each type manages its own data. So no shared state issues. The cons is no default implementations. Okay. But in a base class, you want to provide a default check answer. With protocol, you need an extension. You need to extend this one. Okay, check answers. Slightly more boilerplate code, fine. And dynamic dispatch overhead. So when to use protocol versus base class? Okay, when you need multiple conformances. Okay, shared default behavior. Value type structs works perfectly. Okay, user protocol works perfectly, and performance critical code. So use a protocol if you want flexibility. You might need multiple behaviors. Use a base class when you have a shared or state or default implementations. When you're building a strict hierarchy, for example, vehicle car, that's it. That's it, my friend.